Ooh. Okay, so I am going to, well, first, hello. I'm going to marinate a pork roast. It was a request, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I think it's on YouTube, but I always do something different, so I'm just going to marinate. I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours. They're going to stuff it in the oven at 350, okay? So this ain't long. I'm going to just show you what I do here, okay? Let's see what we got. And I don't measure, but for this I had to try a little bit. This is cinnamon. This is a half of a teaspoon of cinnamon, okay? Alright, you lay that down. So let me show you what I got going on here. Alright, so here, this is brown sugar. This is a heaping tablespoon of brown sugar. Chopped onion, scallion, garlic, what I have over here? I have the allspice, about 10 of those. I have some chopped fresh thyme here. Where's my peppers? And here's some peppers, seedless peppers. Scotch bonnet, seedless peppers here. And here, this is a cup of vinegar. This is about a big tablespoon of olive oil. This is probably, I want to say, a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. Black pepper. A cup of the yellow and red peppers. And this is orange juice, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all those ingredients, them good ingredients, they're going to all go in here, in the Ninja. So let's do our liquids first, okay? Wait a minute. Let's do the orange juice first. Then we'll do the vinegar. The orange juice gives it like the best taste ever, I'm telling you. And with the vinegar, it cuts down the acid and stuff too. So let's go with the peppers. Let's put some pepper in here. I'm going to go heavy with the pepper. If you notice, I'm not using any salt because I have the soy sauce and it's a good one, so, and it's salty as ever, so you don't need, but if you feel you do somewhere, you know, while you're doing, when it's cooking, go right on ahead. Here's your brown sugar. Here's the cinnamon. And all these different seasonings bring a really good taste, I gotta tell you. The taste is unbelievable. Okay, now let's go over here. Let's put the thyme in. Scotch bonnet. I took the seeds out. The allspice. The garlic. The onions. And the scallions. Last but not least. Okay. Then we're gonna put the oil in. Right. I feel like I'm missing something. I'm pretty sure I'm not, but it feels like I'm missing something. I hope not. Okay. Right? And we're gonna blend this stuff up. It's gonna get a little thick. Okay, we're gonna blend it. I'm gonna go just a little bit. Hey, Celeste! Just a one. And then go. See all them pretty colors in there? Look at that. Let's do a little more. Okay. see that in there? Look at all that goodness. You see all the pretty colors, the peppers. Yeah, let me smell. Oh my goodness. This is good. Oh yeah, today I had to bring Art home today. He's here. He's in the living room resting, feet propped up. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah, so that's why you didn't see me today. Yep, he is home. But Nanette, she went live so I can see some of the concerts. So I saw a lot of the concert just now till her battery died. So yeah, so I was watching, the men in concert. How are you? Girl, I tell you, I had a slip and fall on my job, so my neck I'm in physical therapy for my neck. Still can't turn it the way I want to turn it, but it is getting better. So I think maybe 2 more weeks or a week and a half, I'll be back, I can go back to work, hopefully. After a while, enough is enough, you know what I mean? Okay, so anyway, back at the ranch here. Back at the ranch. Okay, so here's this good piece of meat. Hi, Steph. I'm doing the pork roast. So with this, right, if you look, I have a lot of slits in here. There's so many different slits, even in the meat, the skin part. And on this side, can you see how I did that? That's so all the seasoning can get in there. Right, this is a good piece of meat too. Look how meaty that is, right? I got slits everywhere to make sure all that good seasoning, make sure it gets in there. So, like anytime you're doing any kind of meat like this, you want to put your little slits in there, because when you bite into that, everything that you put, all your seasonings, it get in there. It's good. It is good. Good. So let's see what we have. I think I want to do just a little more. I want my allspice to grind up just a little more, so I'm going to put it back on here, okay? And this is one, somebody really likes this, because I'm always getting a request to do this one. Yeah, I like when I get requests. Okay. That should be it right there. Yes, sir. That is it. And it smells really good, because you figure you have your cinnamon, right? You have your brown sugar. Now, actually, ginger is used in here. I don't have the dry or the fresh. I thought I had a piece in the refrigerator, but ginger will really bring this out even more. So you just slice down like maybe about 6 thin slices and put it in the blender. Oh my God, that ginger, I sure wish I had some, but I don't. I'm not going to the store. So I'm going to take and pour it on the meat, right? And all the slits I told you in here, it's going to go all in there. Look at that. Right? And then I'm going to take and turn it over, because I want it to get in the slits on this side too. See that, y'all? Yeah. Yes, sir. Ooh, look at that goodness. When I tell you, and see, oh yeah, let me show you another thing too. Almost forgot. I took and lifted the skin up. Right? You want to make sure you get that season up in that skin too. This is good. So we'll bring it back this way. It smells good. Okay, let's finish. And I'm going to put this for about an hour or two, okay? And I'm going to cover it with clear wrap. So I'm going to taste this now. Oh my God. That's good. So you don't need salt, I'm telling you. This needs no salt. Oh, that is good. So, it's got like a tropical, sort of like a tropical taste in it, because that orange juice, excuse me, that orange juice and the cinnamon and the brown sugar. Like, remember I tell you how everything should just come together? That right there. Wait a minute. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to take him, wrap this baby up, and I'm going to put it, I'm going to leave it in for about an hour or two, depends, because it's getting in that oven today. So then I'm going to come back. So just in case you don't come back on, I'll tell you what you do here. For an hour, you cook it covered, right? You take it out, you flip it. Make sure all the juices are still on there. If for some reason your juices come out, put a little water, a little orange juice in there. So you flip it another hour. Then when that second hour's up, you turn it back over, uncover it, and let it brown. This is a thick piece of meat here, so I'm going to let it cook a little more. I want it to be done inside, and I can always check it because I'm going to put the knife through there, right? I'm going to always check to make sure it's done, okay? Then there's collard greens here. I'm going to do some potato salad. I'm doing this on the late side because I was watching the concert. Uh-oh, let me see how much I got left here, y'all. Can I do it? I can do it. I can do it. Gotta get some more. And if you don't have plastic wrap, you can use, I think I'm going to have to use some foil paper, which is still good. Let me see. I'll try to get all the use out of my stuff. I don't be playing. Here we go. Huh? And this comes out so good. So I just got to caution you, don't mess with that salt. You don't need it. Trust me, you don't need the salt, okay? So I'm going to go and do a few things. And I think I'm just going to marinate this for an hour. I'm just going to do an hour. And come back. Yes, sir. And that's how you do that, right? Put it in there. Get your nice deep pan, a pot, or, you know, whatever you want to use, casserole. 1 hour. Turn it. Make sure all that juice and stuff is in there. And if you want, you can like open up some of your slits, take a spoon and put it right down in there. Cut your skin on the bag, make a slit. Or sometimes you can pull it all the way back as far as you want. Put that seasoning in there too and then flip it back over. I'm telling you. Alright, so I will see you guys. And it's 6:13. I'll see you at 7:13. And if you don't watch it, again, it's okay. It's going to be posted on YouTube. The finished product will be displayed and everything, okay? So this was a request, so I hope my secret person, you see this now, right? Because I did a little something different than I did before, okay? So I'll see you guys shortly, okay? Thanks for watching. Thanks, Celeste. Let me see, when am I going to see you again? I'm going to save you guys some. I'll put it in the freezer. Or you can stop by and get it because I'm off. I'm not working until my neck gets better. My therapy is done, so I'm here every day. You guys want to stop by, you can, okay? All right. Bye.